So we're on our evening walk and we came across a cappuccino with her kits. We have 5 kits, look. They were about 7 weeks old. Once they're about 6 weeks old, they get weaned and they start eating food. They're amazing climbers. So we like to name everything. So we're naming them after all nuts. We got walnut, pecan, cashew. There's Mama Cappuccino right there. You can still see she's probably still, I don't think she's nursing anymore, but these are all, I believe they're all weaned because they're eating regular food.
It's 5 or 6.
Look how good look at the great climbers they are.
Five.
Let's see if we can get a view on these. Look how cute they are. She's still very protective. Look, she knows me very well from walking around. Yep. She's not so crazy about Carrie. Look at how cute they are. Hello, Cashew. Look at that jump. Good jump, Cashew. Look at this one. Look at that. Here comes another one. This one's adorable. I wish we could keep one. Wow. Amazing. They don't make great pets because they're kind of a cross between dogs and cats. But boy, I'd love to keep one of these. Wow. It's so nice. We go for our walks when we're off, and a lot of the raccoons are born in Florida. You know, unlike back up north where they're born in the springtime, in Florida they could be born like almost any month. So today's January 28th. So these were born early December. I'd say they're about 7 months old. We've kind of have a lot of experience with raccoons since we moved to Sarasota. Looks like the mom is down there eating. All right, so there's your first glimpse of the spring kits.